All right, man. I'll just regret it if I don't.
What is it? Oh, you want it?
Yeah. I'll never see that one again. So.
I don't think so, dude. I'm gonna tell you, I've been in toys for a long time.
Yeah.
And it's the first one I've ever had.
Very cool.
Froggy flips.
Oh. Okay. Okay.
Hard to find.
Yeah. About that.
Yes, sir. You don't have any old like comments on that.
How much you have on the old Batman?
On the Batman?
Yeah.
How much on Batman?
$100? Okay.
That's very rare. He needs an operation though.
I've never seen that. That's really cool.
I've never seen one other than that one. That's a mega rare one, isn't it?
It is.
Is that the original cape?
Yes.
Is it?
The only thing wrong with it is otherwise it's tired. It's tilted the other way. It's got his torn and his needs resewn on his
Oh, okay. In his foot. All right. I'm gonna think about it. Thank you.
I do 80.
80 bucks?
Yeah, that's old. It's on its leg actually.
Yeah, right there.
How you doing?
Good, how are you? All right.
Man, I bet you could do something though. I'm gonna get it.
You made a good move. I'll tell you, it's starting on that. That's probably a $500 doll.
I've never seen it, man. It's got to be something.
Yeah. I'm just tired of having it.
Did the dog get a hold of it?
No, I think a termite did.
Oh, shoot.
And he realized.
Awesome. Thank you, sir.
We're good. Yep.
Hey, enjoy that.
All right, thank
I
you.
wish I had a, oh, you got a bag.
Yeah, I got this.
Save his leg. 300 asking.
What's up, dude?
Hey, what's up, man? How you doing?
Nice.
Yeah.
Looks
You like
good.
it?
Yeah.
You want to see some of the cool stuff we got?
Yeah, sure.
already?
Yeah, how's it going?
It's Froggy. Got the fat Pikachu is what we found
nice.
so far, and then hey, there's a box turtle. There's some carded turtle figures over there, dude's got some good prices on.
Oh, where at?
Right over here.
On that side?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then he's got some more carded figures. Yeah.
Okay.
So you might hit him up. I got some video games.
Sweet.
We left some stuff over there for you to find.
Cool, man. Where's he at? Just that way?
That way and to the left. And he's got a
left.
big old toy booth. You can't
Awesome.
miss it.
Cool, man.
All right, good seeing you.
All right,
Froggy.
guys.
Take it easy, bud.
Cool, man.
Bye.
Help me, honey.
There you go.
I knew it was an animal. I was close.
Close.
I was like, that face looks,
all the time.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, okay. Very cool. I appreciate that.
you got a little bit of everything.
Nice.
Got to
Look
get
around.
an eclectic collection.
Yeah.
You don't know what people are going to want.
Exactly. I'm sure it's a crapshoot every time.
Yeah. It's like, see the bone? I said, it's an animal. It's an animal. Think.
Oh, man.
It's pretty bad, huh?
That's awesome. All right. Well, good luck, guys. Thank you so much for saying hi. All right. We'll do. Oh, okay. Cool.
This one, which come out as a vintage, this is my favourite because that one was the movement ring catalog.
How much you doing on the Dazzle stuff?
You interested in all of it?
I would be, yeah.
Okay, so do like basically just $10 an item across the board.
Okay. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 70 bucks?
Yeah.
Okay. And then what if we threw in Jason here? What should that
I'll do $10 on him.
be? Cool.
Too.
So 80?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's cool. Thanks, man.
Need a sack or anything?
If you don't mind, mine's kind of full already. Awesome. Thank you, sir.
All right.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, you can open it up. I should open it.
All right, what do you think on Dolly? It was marked at 85.
85. 60.
60? Okay. I think for a second. 60.
You know, that's looking Barbies.
Yeah.
Are you wanting like one or something? I mean, take one and 60 with the bar with one of them.
Okay.
If that helps to sweeten the pot a little bit or something.
Would you do 65 if I take all of them in this?
Yeah, we'll do that.
Cool. That'll work. It's hard to just buy one. There's 50. 65. Awesome.
All right, sweet.
Thanks, buddy. All right, thanks, man.
All right, have a good one.
All right, you too.
How you doing, Anthony?
Hey, man, how are you?
Very good.
What's your name?
Mick, I love
Mick.
your...
Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Hey, Froggy Flips.
Yeah, man. How's it going?
Man, I've been wanting to meet you forever. How
Awesome.
You doing?
Cool,
I
man.
watch your videos all the time. Big
Appreciate
fan.
that. What's your name?
David.
David, nice to meet you, bud.
I could do better if you're interested.
Okay. Oh, yeah, looks like you got some cool stuff. All right, how much you have on the Ewoks?
I'm asking 30 for him and
Okay.
10 a piece on these.
Okay.
If you're interested in all three, I could do 40 for all three.
40 bucks. And then what about
$10 for
LaRusso?
Daniel.
Okay. 50 for the 4?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll do that and I'll keep looking. Thanks,
Okay,
man.
great. I know.
Yeah, man.
Hey,
Yep. How's it going?
good. I'm Luke for it. Luke Dial, calling Chris Hilltop Toys.
Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I've seen you with him. Or
Nice.
We've met. We were at a. He introduced me to you at another
Very
place.
cool.
I recognize you.
I think he's missing out here. This is.
He was supposed to come with me.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, death in the family. So.
Oh,
he
yeah,
couldn't
that's
come.
right.
Yeah.
$5. You a baggy.
I could probably shove it in one of these, I think.
You don't want Cookie Monster?
Well, I'm going to move Cookie Monster. I
There
forgot
you
he was
go.
in there.
Awesome. Thanks, buddy.
I appreciate it, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
This guy.
Yeah.
All right.
Dude, I love your content.
Oh, thank you so much, man. Appreciate that. Yeah, okay.
Pleasure, man.
Cool, man. What's your name?
James. I
James.
James. YouTube as well. I do
Awesome.
comic books on there.
Okay, is that the...
Yes, Comic
Skip?
Knowledge.
Okay, yes,
Yeah, man.
yes.
Take
I've watched
all
your
the
videos
shows.
before.
Thank you, man. But yeah, I love it. You love what you do. It's always fun to watch on the rerun. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Keep crushing it.
Cool, man. Nice to meet you, bud.
Pleasure, man. Good luck.
All right, you too.
Froggy?
Yeah.
I watch your YouTube videos all
Awesome,
the time,
man.
man.
Cool, man.
Nice
What,
meeting you.
you too, man. What's your name?
Sheldon?
Sheldon?
Yep.
Thank you so much. Appreciate that, bud.
Big fan.
Thank you, bud.
Care if I get a picture with you?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
She'll be so jealous. She actually got a booth set up, and her whole goal was to meet you today. She's going to be mad that I beat her to it.
Oh, really? Awesome, man. Where's she at?
Appreciate it. Far back corner. of
Inside
the-
this room?
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Nice to meet you, bub.
You too.
How much are they going for?
They're all under $10.
What's that weird little robot up there?
That's from the 1960s. I don't even know if it works anymore.
No.
I got like 50 bucks on it because it's metal, tin. So it's pretty cool. I know last time, you can look on Google market value. It's there's one went for like 60 bucks, one 70 bucks. So
Yeah, that's a cool decoration, though.
I know it's got the head. This thing comes off too. But it looks like someone back in the day used a nail to hold
Right.
it out, so it's kind of funny.
Kind of made it folk art.
Yeah.
All right, cool. I'll think about that for a second. Thanks, man.
Cool looking.
I think so, too. All right, man. I'll just regret it if I don't.
What is it? Oh, you want it?
Yeah, yeah. I'll never see that one again. So.
I don't think so, dude. I'm gonna tell you, I've been in toys for a long time.
Yeah.
And it's the first one I've ever had.
Very cool. Awesome, man. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
All
gonna grab your G.I. Joe gun there.
Oh, okay.
There you go.
All right. Need a
Thank you.
bag, or-
No, I got one.
Okay.
Trying to decide on these two. I don't know.
You know, I'll do that one for 5 also, the Luger. Or
Okay.
Either one.
So both those for 10 then?
Yeah.
Cool. Might as well. Appreciate it.
Well, thank you.
Thank you.
How much the stuff is?
If they have weapons, they're 10. No weapons, they're 7.
On all these? Oh, okay.
They're $3.
Are all these as marked?
Yep.
Okay. We'll grab these 4. They all have weapons. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Appreciate you. YouTube.
Yeah.
Froggy Flips.
Froggy Flips.
Yeah.
I watch you all the time.
Oh, thanks, man. Appreciate that. What's your name?
Kevin.
Kevin. Nice to meet you, bud. Thank you.
I watch you all the time.
All right, so we're back here in the showroom. What you just saw was one of those like world's largest garage sale type events. Pretty sure every state has them. They're basically just like enormous flea markets. To some extent, you could probably even describe it as like a mega convention with a no set theme. In my opinion, as long as you temper your expectations, they can be a lot of fun. I go every year. In fact, I've basically been going to this particular event on and off since high school. And I gotta say, this was probably the best year ever for me. I am thrilled with the stuff I was able to find. I think all in, I'm under $370 for everything, which hopefully you'll see here in a second was an amazing deal for some pretty cool stuff. So real quick, let's take a look at everything. So I have the haul kind of split into 2 parts. Spread out over here, I have what I would consider kind of the extras, the bonus, the bread and butter, if you will. Paid $5 for all 4 of these Tootsie Twisty dolls from the 1980s. I think these were all sold at Kmart. One has been opened, but the rest of them are sealed. They're basically just Barbie clones, but I thought they were pretty cool, and I definitely couldn't pass up on them for $5 for the entire set. I paid $7 a piece for all the complete Motu figures. We got 4 of them. I basically just pulled out everything that was complete because for $7, even for the basic stuff, you really can't go wrong. We have Man-E-Faces, Whiplash, Jitsu, and Clawful, all with all their accessories, $7 a piece. Fantastic deal. Got the Friday the 13th Jason Madballs made by Kid Robot. It was only $10, and look how cool that thing is. I definitely had to have that for that price. Got my Star Wars fix with a few Ewoks. We have a complete Logray, and then an incomplete Chirpa and Tebow. And then for $10, I had to pick up Daniel's son here. I personally just never see the Karate Kid stuff, so definitely had to have him. And then I paid $5 a piece for these 3 toy guns. I thought this one was really cool. I picked this one up right away. It's from the G.I. Joe Battle. It's kind of like a laser tag type set. Still works too. And then we have the Lone Star Luger. It was marked at 10, but I got it for 5. And the cool little Colt 3 right there. And then this portion of the haul is the stuff that has a little bit more of that wow factor, a little more of the element of scarcity, just a little more of the cool, in my opinion. We'll start over here. This was basically the booth that just kept on giving. I really, really liked this booth. I picked up this entire Mattel Dazzle collection. This is from 1981. I think they're super cool because they kind of just feel like a cross between like Star Wars and Barbie or something. Just the little mini figures in neat packaging. I'm not going to pretend that there's millions of collectors out there just clamoring to get their hands on some mint condition Dazzle. But the people that do want this stuff, they're going to want nice examples, and that's exactly what we have here. 7 very nice pieces. We have 4 dolls, Glisten, Glimmer, Crystal, and Rhinestone, all unpunched. We have 2 outfit sets, Glowing Glamour and Jazzy Jeans. And then we have Blaze the Horse. To the right person looking for these lesser known lines, a nice lot like this can have some pretty decent value, but I'm just going to enjoy the packaging while I have it myself. Very, very happy with the Dazzle collection. Also from that same booth, we have the 1978 Dolly Parton doll made by a company called Goldberger. Not rare by any means, but what is hard to find is one in such nice, unopened packaging. This box is a very nice example, very little creasing, the bubbles nice and clear. This particular doll cost me $60, and one in such nice condition like this could fetch between $100 and $150. And then for what I think are the two coolest pieces I picked up, we're traveling back in time a little bit further to the 1960s. We'll start right here with the Batman plush. This Batman plush was made by a company called Commonwealth. As you saw when I picked it up, the foot had completely come off. I did have Sarah sew it back on for me. I didn't want to hide the damage, but I didn't want it to get worse. So it is sewn back on with a nice little scar there. A lot of the blue coloring has started to fade over time. However, it does have the original felt cape. The plastic face is in very nice condition. The hood is also fading. You can kind of see what the color used to be. Now, with the research I did, these don't come up very often. There were a few different variations, a few different sizes, a few different decorative choices, but at the end of the day, it's kind of hard to put a value on just because they don't come up very often. I paid $80 for this. I think I did just fine. I doubt I will ever see another one. If I truly had to guess, I would value it somewhere between $150 and $200 maybe. And then we have this awesome little robot that I almost passed on until I remembered a very important rule. Always buy vintage monsters, always buy vintage aliens, always buy vintage robots. So this is called an Alps TV Spaceman robot. A very cool piece. It's been collectible for decades now. Obviously, I had never seen it, or else I would have known that right away. It didn't take a lot of research to find out about it though. This one is far from perfect condition. In fact, a mint condition with box example would be $1,000+ toy. So basically the way these work, the batteries go in the back. This chain had some sort of key or antenna attached to it. And when you put the antenna into this little slot, the thing would walk. It would play a little show right there in the screen. Its eyes would move and light up. This one's obviously missing some pieces. However, it does have some pieces that are often missing, like the original hands. These are made of plastic, so they tend to get lost over the years. This little faceplate tends to get lost a lot. He is missing an ear and there is a crack, but the fact that he still has the faceplate is pretty cool. And probably most importantly, he's missing the antenna that was attached to this chain. It's been replaced with a nail and stuck in the slot. I have not tried to mess with it at all. I think it's cool the way it is. It's a very neat little display piece. People buy them, they restore them. Some people just like to put them on shelves. Far from mint condition, so it's definitely not a $1,000 collectible. In this condition, it could be a couple $100s or more. But most importantly, I just think it's a really cool piece. That is all I got for you this time. As always, I want to thank you so much for watching the videos, but until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, love ya, bye.